friends with my bird, and the only way to do that is to let him bite you. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You ready, Corky? Ow! Oh!
Ow!
Ow! Corky! Oh man, that bird. You're bad. Oh! Here we go. You got this, and he's going again. He's going again. Going back in for some more. For some more. Ow! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Yeah, look at my fingers. Oh man, that bird. I defeated you. Oh my gosh.
Round 3.
What?
Round 3.
Round 3. Dude, look at that. Think I should go again?
Round 3, dude.
Round 3? Oh man, that hurts so bad. Oh my gosh, Corky. Oh gosh! Oh! You hit me right in the same place. Oh man, that's enough. That's 3 times. Stupid bird. Ugh! I let him bite me 3 times.
You're crazy.
It lashes on.
Yeah, I know. Oh man, it gets all warm too. Well, it still looks like my bird hates me, so better luck next time, I guess.